Master the names, unique features, and incredible facts of sea turtle species from around the world in this video. Green sea turtle. A large herbivorous sea turtle that feeds mainly on seagrass and algae in tropical and subtropical oceans. Leatherback sea turtle. The largest sea turtle species with a flexible leathery shell instead of a hard carapace. Loggerhead sea turtle. Recognized for its massive head and powerful jaws used to crush hard-shelled prey like crabs and mollusks. Hawksbill sea turtle. Famous for its narrow beak that allows it to extract sponges from coral reefs. Olive Ridley sea turtle. Known for mass nesting events called arabatas along sandy coastlines. Kemp's Ridley sea turtle. The rarest sea turtle species in the world, mainly found in the Gulf of Mexico. Flatback sea turtle. Native to Australian waters and distinguished by its flattened shell shape. Western Pacific leatherback. Known for some of the longest recorded ocean migrations. Black sea turtle. A darker colored population of green turtle found in the eastern Pacific Ocean. Pacific green turtle. A regional form of green turtle adapted to open ocean and coastal feeding grounds. Atlantic green turtle. Commonly found in warm Atlantic waters with important nesting beaches in the Caribbean. Eastern Pacific leatherback. A critically endangered population of leatherback turtles. Indo-Pacific hawksbill. A reef-associated turtle species crucial for maintaining coral ecosystem balance. Atlantic hawksbill. Primarily inhabits coral reefs and rocky shorelines. Mediterranean loggerhead. The only regularly nesting sea turtle in the Mediterranean Sea. North Pacific loggerhead. Migrates thousands of kilometers between feeding and nesting areas. South Atlantic loggerhead. Commonly nests along Brazilian coastlines. Eastern Pacific olive ridley. Famous for synchronized nesting behavior. Pacific hawksbill. An extremely rare population found in scattered Pacific habitats. Gulf of Mexico Kemp's ridley. The primary nesting population of this endangered species. Australian flatback turtle. Restricted almost entirely to the continental shelf of Australia. Northern green turtle. Feeds in shallow coastal seagrass meadows. Western Pacific olive ridley. Inhabits warm coastal waters near Southeast Asia. Southern green turtle. Occupies temperate and tropical feeding grounds. Atlantic olive ridley. Found along tropical Atlantic shorelines. Caribbean green turtle. Important grazer maintaining healthy seagrass ecosystems. Pacific loggerhead. Uses ocean currents to travel between continents. Indo-Pacific leatherback. Capable of diving deeper than most other turtles. Australian hawksbill. A coral reef specialist species. Central Pacific green turtle. A green turtle population that forages extensively on coral reef algae and seagrass beds. Atlantic leatherback. Frequently seen in both tropical and cold waters. Western Atlantic loggerhead. A major nesting population along the southeastern coast of North America. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Info Million.